Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the iconic Harley Quinn. I am so excited to achieve her look. So if you're interested as well, just make sure to keep on watching. Let's get into it. First I'm just going in with a primer. This is the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter, and it has the little like pink gel balls. Now I'm going to do my color correcting with the Essence Cream Sticks in green and then peach for my under eyes. Alright, now that I have my color correcting done, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible True Cover. 302 Creamy Natural is the shade. And I'm going to go ahead right in with my Beauty Blender and apply that all over my face for an even base. So I don't recall a time that we've ever talked music on this channel. So I wanted to get some of your guys' favorites and your favorite artist right now, and then give some suggestions down in the comments below, and we can have a little artist music talk. Right now, currently, I've been super into Jessie Reyez. I mean, she is icon, definitely gay crush for sure. And then Renee Rapp. Oh my god, if you guys have not heard her music yet, she's an insane vocalist. And she creates really good music too, and she's kind of up and coming, but I found her before. Anyway, Renee Rapp is an amazing female artist. I am going to go ahead and plug one of my friends. It is Tyler Presley Music on Spotify, and he does amazing, beautiful music, and he does it all by himself, like moi, so I totally understand the struggle of being a one-man production, and he does it so swimmingly well. So if you guys want to go check him out, it is Tyler Presley Music on Spotify. Go tell him that I sent you and that you came from Fancy with Fantasy YouTube channel. We gotta support our up-and-coming artists, okay? So go support him. He's amazing. I'll try to link it down below so you guys can check him out. And I'm really seriously curious what you guys listen to on a day-to-day basis. So comment down below. I told you a few of my faves. Now you have to return the favor. It's only common decency. And I'm gonna do one more layer of foundation because your girl is a full coverage girly. I can't help it. I was born this way. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes and all of my little pink rouge. I just did some powder using the OPV Beauty Translucent Powder. And now I'm going in with the She Glam Liquid Contour in Golden Sun. I should know that by now. It's like a fan fave at this point, but I'm just doing a little bronzy since she doesn't do blush, and I can't not have contour and blush. It just doesn't work out here. Not on this channel. If you need that more natural look, you might want to head over somewhere else, because that's not really my forte, baby. I'm sorry to break it to you. Now I'm going in with the Ofra Trio in Face It Medium, and I'm going to take the matte contour shade and just do a little bit of powder on top of that. Alright, now I am going in with the Wander Beauty Eyebrow Gel and Pencil Duo, and this is in dark brown. And I'm just going to fill in my brows very lightly, not too thick, because her eyebrows are about the width, shape of mine when I don't do anything with them. So I'm just going to lightly fill them in. Alright, I think I'm happy with that, so I'm going to just put some eyebrow gel in it to kind of thread them up and keep them in place. Alright, now I guess we're going to get into the iconic eyeshadow look. Alright, starting with the blue, I'm going to go ahead and pack this blue right onto my lid and then a little bit on the outer corner and kind of dragging that down very messily. Alright, now for the pink side, I'm going to go in with a bright pink from the same James Charles Artistry palette. I'm going to go in with the pink shade, the pink shade, and do the same exact thing to the other eye. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and kind of just go around my eyes because she does kind of have a darker black liner going on. Alright, now I know Harley Quinn doesn't technically have lashes or like falsies on, but I think going back to what we were saying previously, I'm a little extra, I'm a little glam, so we're gonna put on some lashes, okay? Because this is a lot of liner for no lash for me, so we're gonna put on a lash. Alright, now we are going into the lips, which is her bright red lipstick. So I'm going in with my tried and true Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick in Missy and Fierce. Now that we have the lips done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the face tattoos. She has Rotten written on her pink side, and then she also has a medium-sized heart right here. So it's probably going to be backwards, but work with me here, okay? I'm just going to write it normal, because I don't know how else to do it. It'll be backwards. My mind can't compute the other way. I'm sorry. I wrote Rotter. I fucking wrote Rotter. I wrote Rotter! This is what I get for... I don't know. This is what I get. Rotter. I wrote Rotter. Out of all of the mistakes I could have made, Rotter, whatever, I'm done. How did I do that? I know, at least it's towards like the outside of the face, so it's not as noticeable. Yeah? Okay. There we go. That N is very wonky, but at least it's an N. Alright, now the heart. This should be easier. Knock on wood. tip for drawing literally anything on your face is to keep a stabilizer finger on it, and if you have a powder puff to keep on this finger, that helps a lot too, so you don't imprint fingertips onto your makeup that you just did. Another thing is to go slow, do it bit by bit, and also don't forget to breathe and blink. Otherwise your eyes will start to water, you'll ruin your makeup, or if you don't breathe, you'll start to shake and like it gets harder. I think that's the Harley Quinn makeup. I think we are done with the makeup portion of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go try to stick on my wig, change my outfit, and I will be back with the final results. Alright guys, and this is the final Harley Quinn look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. It really means the world to me, and I will see you guys for the next video. Bye! What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Oh, sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.